Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know the thing going on, people. I don't know what's the attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So viewers and subscribers, you don't know say some breaking news are come to the attacking boss. See? And this is about a youth now people who them say get cut down over there in a Florida people. And this is a Jamaican youth people. See? And a well-known promoter youth over there who keep party and things people. Having promotion label thing we keep them party and thing people over there in Florida. So is a youth who well be known by many over there in Florida. See? Well people, this youth who goes by the name of Kevin Boss Millions. See? And this man now people who them say, you get me I say, was in his car couple days hours ago people. See? And when a assailant just come up people and shoot him up in him car. Kill him. Gone. See? So behind this now people, and when me do check and look into this people and go through some comments and see where people are saying, yo, badness a yard and care badness go foreign make no sense. See? Based on comments that I'm seeing. As me tell the people where people are saying, yeah, badness a yard and care badness go foreign make no sense. So viewers and subscribers, when me hear that me have to say, but really I go on with Kevin I know. We go on with MILLI0NZ boss I know. So I come some people and do some checks and think people and go through YG and think people. And I have seen where 6 days ago he make this post people with this picture. Zine with him trigger finger because a man who love him photo them with him gun finger people. No joke about it which me not go say. I boss him, I boss it. And he caption on the right people. Humble youth but still we make it rumble if you make me stumble. And everybody ain't a fool. You can't, you know what I mean? Reach up that and know that meaning of people. Him say humble youth, but still we make it rumble if you make it make me stumble. So you know what that mean people. See? Okay. And my viewers and my subscribers, see? He make another post and this was on May 21st. And him put a prayer finger, him put a eagle, and him say ready for pitch if they. And my viewers and my subscribers, I don't even want to finish them part there. But based on the fact people, this youth was into something, my people. He must know maybe have some enemy. He must know something not go on right people on certain side people. And him just make him think, you know, if you put some fear in someone, look, you know, it's not a easy youth, you know. So now me I go try something, I want to come up to something, you know, but I'm ready to make it rumble, you know. And if I try nothing, you go stumble, you know, you go fall short, see? But as me telling the viewers and subscribers, he was a well-known youth over there in Florida, see? Because a lot of people are say, yo, Kevin, I can't believe you're gone, wake up youth. This are the news I'm wake up to. Me have seen where people comment and say, yo, Kevin, we have to catch hold of this and we have to deal with them fear. You know what I mean? So there's a lot to it people, but I can't tell the youth them, you know, yo. And you know, we have to make change in our life. See? When I got brandish Kevin and say, Kevin, you did a shoot over Florida, you did a go and be things in Florida. No, I'm not gonna say that people, but we have to make change in our life. And we have to know say, when we touch certain place, and a yard with it. So certain image that we used to go on with a yard and certain things, people, we can still have it, you know. But you know what we have to do? We have to keep it inside and stop portray it on the outside. See? You have to know say, yo, you will defend everything if a man try to, you know what I mean, mess it you or try to get you down or take your 3 points. But you not go come some man not going at the mids and you know, you have to be careful. Because nowadays people, it's so easy to lose this 3 points which I give to you. See? It's so easy. It's sad to know people. Say MILLI0NZ boss gone. See? It's sad to know them take him out people as them say, man, I ain't care people. Man just come say boom, come up to him care people. And that's it. See? Get him right out. And for tell the people, this man have party, come up people party and the way. See? ready for deal with them party and thing, and sadly people, him gone, you know. But only Jah sees and he knows. Youth, we have to make some change, man. We have to make some difference. See that? Kevin Boss Million, him gone, people. No longer here with us. All because of what? Who was the perpetrators behind it? A lot of people are going to think on the side. Who was Kevin's biggest enemy? What were the leads? What were the problem Kevin involved in? What could the causes? Why they want Kevin out? This is the thinking where a lot of people are going to think. But what? Only Jah sees and he knows. My people, big up on yourself. More love, more respect, and more blessings. But as I say, people, where the comments say, badness a yard, you can't carry badness go abroad. You have to drop it. Remember to do like, do share, and do comment, and please do subscribe and hit that notification bell. So as I drop a video, you will hear ping, like where Brimstone telling you ping. Okay, follow me on IG, man, and Facebook too, and Twitter, NEWLINK Production. Peace, my people. Enough love, enough blessings and respect. I'm out. Blessings.